My name's Adam Semenuk.
I'm Kayla Bodie.
My business is Redbird Brewing. I'm head over heels for this gal. And, we're always coming up with different bird puns, and lovebirds just kind of made sense. Thought it was funny and it fit.
You can totally be like, come on back, you know?
The dance rehearsals, they're a lot of fun. You show up and it's a ton of fun, and you're always glad that you went.
Yeah, I think we always walk away and we're like, that was so much fun.
It is always a highlight of my week to dance and work with them. They laugh, they have fun, they're easygoing with each other, they're encouraging, and they both just come in every week with this amazing positive energy, and they practice.
It's funny, the first couple times that we rehearsed with Jenny, we were picking up the moves and we were practicing in our apartment, and then as we got along in the process of adding more and more to the dance, we've kind of outgrown the apartment. We can't actually rehearse it because we're moving all the couches and everything. So we're now at my work in kind of the backyard with an outdoor speaker, hoping nobody can watch us dance.
Yeah.
Don't worry, after that we don't have much turning for a little while.
I hope people can tell that we're having fun, that we had as much fun rehearsing it as we do performing it. I hope people look at us and think those two are great partners.
My daughter passed away when she was 4, and she went through hospice, and it was like knowing that you have a safety net for an emergency you didn't foresee coming. They gave personal counseling for my son, and at the time I really didn't know what I would have done without those resources to help us.
I think we've all had somebody who's going through the end of life process, and this is just a great way that can help support maybe your future loved ones or friends or family or just the general community.
It was key, and so to support that is it's a no-brainer. It's so important.
It's not something anybody really plans to have part of their life, but when that does come, you are extremely thankful for it. So
it's a great cause.
It gives people that sense of dignity and respect that everybody deserves, and not everybody's fortunate enough to get during that process. So I think it's important.
Please welcome to the dance floor, Team Lovebirds.
can really shake them down. Do you love me? I can really move. Do you love me? I'm in the groove. Do you love
Team Lovebirds.
Woohoo! Well done. Well done.
Wow, that was amazing. Yeah. How did that feel? Good? Adam, I'm going to start with you. You did a great job. A lot of creativity. You're an entrepreneur. You have the Redbird Pub, which we were at the other night for dinner. It was fantastic. So you know how to create ambiance. How did you create this tonight?
With incredible help from our instructor, she did the whole thing. I just watched.
Okay, well, that may be the case, Michaela. You guys have been working hard. He says he just watched, but how many times did you have to do that lift before he nailed it?
A couple of times, yeah.
No bruises, though, I hope?
There was a few falls, but we made it.
You guys made it, and you made it look so good. So congratulations, seriously. Okay, we are going to go to the judges. I know, they're like, and we're done, and we made it. Judges, Team Lovebirds, some comments here. Laura, let's start with you. What did you think?
You got a microphone.
Hello. Okay. I thought they were amazing. The lifts, the kicks, the flips. I mean, Adam was great, but his partner did everything backwards and with high heels and a dress. So kudos to her, man.
Yeah.
Okay, Mark.
Yeah, I've got to say, being the first act there, I thought that was really impressive. Lifts, like you just said then, they're very difficult to do, especially when you're first and you've not done it in front of an audience like this, but they perfected them. You could see it in their eyes. They really connected and they were looking at each other with devotion, and that was quite important within that routine because it meant a lot to them. You really saw that, right, guys? Yeah? You really saw that. So yeah, good song choices, good mix as well. And I did actually write here, sass, class, but where's Adam's mustache? What happened to the mustache, Adam?
Adam and Kayla, you should be out here. You should be out on stage listening to the judging. You don't get to run away and not hear the feedback.
But they're so excited. They're so
here.
excited. It's all good. It's all good.
Come all the way out.
Great comments, Mark. Yeah. So it's perfect. Okay, Kareen, it's over to you.
I just want to say that was some lifts that I would never be able to do. Good job. Definitely good job on that. And then Adam, I just wanted to say that definitely great partners. You could see that connection and that passion with each other. That was phenomenal.
Well done. Tori, you're up.
Is this on?
Should be.
I loved the first choice for the song. It was Love Story, and I almost teared up when you both came on and the look in your eyes for each other. It was just so heartwarming. It is beautiful to see. You had me at Dirty Dancing. And the lift, now I'm going to go home and say, my husband, he needs to do the lift. Anyway, it was really impressive. Beautiful moves, just really well done.
Thank you, judges, and thank you, team.
One more time for Team Lovebirds.
Cheer them out.